Hey, Mike Foster here today. Going to a local place here in St. George. It's called Ernesto's Mexican restaurant. And we're going to go try some of their chicken tacos and some of their loaded nachos. Oh, the chips and salsa. This is Mike Eats the Street. Are you ready to do it? I am. Let's eat the street. Here's the finished product. I got this to go. There's 3 chicken tacos. They look really good. Rice and beans. And here's the loaded nachos. I got some bean and cheese dip and some salsa. We'll start off with the chicken. So I'm dipping a little of the salsa. Okay guys, you ready? Delicious. You probably want to mix them all up. I'm giving thumbs up for this. Try a little more. Put it in the bean dip. Put it in the salsa. Mike Eats the Street, Ernesto's. I think I already gave this guy an 8.5 the other day. He still has one bite of a chicken taco. Uh-oh. They got beautiful chicken in there. They put a nice little sauce in there. Melted cheese, lettuce. One bite. Ready? For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at all my socials. And keep eating the street.
Live life 365.
Is it on? It is on. Mike, let's wolf it down. That's me, Babu.